What's the meaning of catalyst? Catalyst. Catalyst.
Catalyst. Catalyst. A catalyst is a substance that increases the rate of a chemical reaction without undergoing any permanent chemical change itself. It works by lowering the activation energy needed for the reaction to occur, thus making it faster and more efficient. The presence of a catalyst can result in significant improvements in reaction rates, yields, and selectivity. Catalysts are widely used in industrial processes to reduce energy consumption and costs, as well as to minimize waste and environmental impact. The development of new and better catalysts is a vital area of research in chemistry and materials science.